issues with GoMath, so I'm going to try to streamline it for you and show you how I would run it. First, we need to log in. I'm going to log in as Ali Barnhill, so it's going to be your full email address with cvesd.org. Your password is going to be capital P-A-R-K and the last 4 of your ID number followed by an exclamation mark. So let's see if I typed it correctly. There it is. Should look familiar to you. So I'm just going to take you to your steps to get your class active into GoMath. First stop, we're going to start at settings and we're going to manage our class. We're going to click our class. We are going to edit our class, and here is where we're going to select the things that we want them to have access to. That should have been unselected when you look through it, but you're going to click Add Adaptive Learning Products, and you are going to click the GoMath California Personal Math Trainer. You can also come down, and if you'd like your kids to have access to the Student Edition, you can click that, and you can kind of look through all of these. I'm just going to leave it to those 2 for now, and I'm going to click Save. Hopefully that made a lot of sense. My next step is going to go to assignments. So now that I've activated the GoMath Personal Trainer, I need to give the student some assignments. So I'm going to go to assignments and I'm going to go to tests. And now it's kind of a blank screen. So you need to find the browse button in the right hand corner. Find your grade level. Ali is in kindergarten. And then nothing to check. So you need to go over to program structure, grade level resources, and while that generates, I'm going to select assessments. So as you can see here, everything with a personal math trainer is going to be like an online assessment that will be scored by the computer. So for this class, I am going to assign homework for the first standard, and I'm going to add that. I'm going to give it a title, homework, and I'm going to put the date. Come down, select the correct class, add all of the students from the classroom for that particular assignment, and click Save. Yes, I want to save the changes. So now as you can see, Ali's entire class has been assigned this homework assignment. So I'm also going to go in, because I want them to have multiple assignments, I'm going to go into assignments again, click Test. Again, hopefully you know where to go. We're going to go to Browse, Kindergarten, Program Structures, Grade Level Resources, and now I'm going to be looking for the beginning of the year assessment. So again, I want to go to Assessments, fairly intuitive, and I'm scrolling down and hopefully I find it. Clusters, where's it at? Oh, there it is. Beginning of the year assessment. Now let's say I wanted to see it. I can click the button to see it, and now I can see what the beginning of the year assessment would look like. I can see it's 32 questions, easily done in a lab setting. So I'm going to X out of that, go back, and now I'm actually going to assign that to my class. I'm going to add it to my list. I'm going to label it BOY assessment. I'm still going to put the date of the assigned, ooh, it's not May, is it? 8/19/15. My classroom 401. I'm going to add all of my kids to it. I'm going to click Save. Hopefully that's okay. Boom. Now we've got beginning of the year assessment and homework. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to show you a user interface for a student. So I'm going to log out, and the students would log in the same format. So they're going to put in their student ID number. Hopefully that is correct. And their password is going to be the password we use for everything. Capital first letter of their first name, lowercase last name, and their complete birth date. Perfect. So now this is the interface that a kid would see in kindergarten through 6th. They're going to go to things to do and check it out. They've got 2 assessments to take. I'm going to start my first one, which would be BOY. Click my beginning of the year assessment. Read the directions in kindergarten. Haha. Now I'm going to take my assessment. As you can see,
Complete. Count forward from 11 to 30.
I think it's 29 or 39. Gonna get that one wrong for sure. Which number is greater than 27? I'm pretty smart there. Which number is less? Next. You guys get the idea? And then I'm going to turn it in as a student even though I'm not finished because I want a bad grade. Alright, I hope that helps, and we'll send out another screencast on how to find assessments once your kids have taken one. One special note is in order for them to use the adaptive, what is it called, ladies?
Personal math trainer.
Personal math trainer. They have to have 10 assignments done online before they can start that. So let's get our kids using this in lab settings. Hopefully this helped.